AliExpress, your gateway to global shopping. AliExpress is like a giant online marketplace. Think of it as a digital flea market with goods from all over the world. It's owned by a big Chinese company called Alibaba. People love AliExpress because it often has much lower prices than stores you might find in your hometown. One of the best things about AliExpress is the sheer variety. You can find almost anything on AliExpress. Looking for clothes, electronics, home goods, or even quirky gadgets, AliExpress has you covered. Millions of people around the world use AliExpress every single day. It's become a go-to place for finding great deals. You can buy directly from manufacturers, which often means you're cutting out the middleman and getting a lower price. Florida, with its beautiful beaches and vibrant cities, is a fantastic place to live. But sometimes, finding unique or affordable items locally can be a challenge. That's where AliExpress comes in. AliExpress offers Floridians access to a vast selection of products at competitive prices. Whether you're searching for a one-of-a-kind gift, home decor to brighten up your space, or electronics at unbeatable prices, AliExpress has something for everyone in the Sunshine State. Shipping times from AliExpress have also significantly improved in recent years. While you might have waited weeks or even months for your orders in the past, many sellers now offer faster shipping options to the United States, including Florida. This means you can enjoy your purchases sooner. Ready to dive into the world of AliExpress? Creating an account and making your first purchase is easier than you might think. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Step 1. Sign up. Head over to the AliExpress website or download the app on your smartphone. Click on Register and follow the instructions. You'll need to provide your email address and create a password. Step 2. Browse and select. Now comes the fun part. Browse through AliExpress's vast selection of products. Use the search bar to find specific items or explore different categories. When you see something you like, click on it to learn more. Step 3. Review and choose. Before adding an item to your cart, take a moment to read the product description carefully. Pay attention to details like size, color options, and shipping information. Check out the seller's ratings and reviews from previous buyers. This will give you an idea of their reliability and the quality of their products. Step 4. Add to cart and checkout. Once you're happy with your selection, click on Add to Cart. You can continue shopping and add more items, or proceed to checkout. During checkout, you'll need to provide your shipping address and payment information. AliExpress accepts various payment methods including credit cards and PayPal. Step 5. Confirmation and tracking. After placing your order, you'll receive a confirmation email from AliExpress. This email will contain your order details and a tracking number. You can use this number to keep an eye on your package's journey from the seller to your doorstep in Florida. So let's dive into the vast world of AliExpress, a truly global marketplace. Here, you can find products from all corners of the globe, offering a diverse range of items that cater to every need and preference. It's like having the entire world's market at your fingertips. Now, for those of you shopping from Florida, here are some tips to make your AliExpress experience as smooth as possible. First, always check the seller's ratings and reviews. This can give you a good idea of their reliability and the quality of their products. Secondly, pay attention to the estimated delivery times. Since items are often shipped from overseas, they may take a bit longer to arrive. And finally, take advantage of buyer protection policies. These can help ensure that you receive your items as described or get a refund if something goes wrong. Happy shopping!